Hello, this is Andrew from Collaborative Learning. Today's book is How to Read a Financial Report by John Tracey. If you like my work, please like it, subscribe to this channel, check the playlists, and support me on Patreon and PayPal. The links to Patreon and PayPal are included in the description to this video. First, I'll describe the contents of the book, talk about what's interesting about it, then I'll move on to what you can get out of this book. For any business owner or manager to keep their business up and running, it's very important to manage three aspects. Make sure they earn a profit, maintain their assets and liabilities to an acceptable level, and ensure that business generates cash flows. In order to do this, they need to have the ability to read the three main financial statements: the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. It's equally important to know how changes in the income statement can alter certain things in the balance sheet or cash flow statement, or vice versa. How to read a financial report is a basic financial statements analysis manual intentionally written for non-accountants. It is directed toward non-financial managers, investors, and lenders. It is written in plain English and is unusually clear for a complicated topic, and focuses on communicating key concepts like how the three financial statements link together. The book helps people get a fundamental grip on the profit, cash flow, and financial condition of any business. It is approximately 200 pages long and has numerous exhibits that are well organized for quick reference. What distinguishes this manual from other introductory books of its type is its innovative structure. This is done with minimal and simple words. The book visually ties together elements of the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statements by tracing where and how a line item in one affects an entry in another. To use the author's words, all three financial statements fit together like tongue and groove woodwork. The three financial statements interlock with one another. The centerpiece of the book is a streamlined exhibit used throughout the book to explain connections between the three financial statements. It brings to light the importance of differentiating the earnings from the cash flow. In this way, profit, cash flow, and solvency can be analyzed by investors, lenders, and managers. This book goes beyond the typical walkthrough of a financial statement and the interrelationships between the different line items. I have a degree in accounting, worked in finance, have taken the CFA or Certified Financial Analyst exams, and have an interest in financial analysis. This book is really the best short manual for financial statement analysis out there. And the language was simple and really helped make sense of what many people can't in a complicated textbook. How to Read a Financial Report is not just a primer, but is a surprisingly useful book that I've gone back to reference many times after the initial read-through. It's a good guide for students learning the basics, but it also communicates some of the more advanced details of how certain accounts impact each other in each of the financial statements. It is also a good book to brush up and review to see if you still remember the fundamental concepts. This book was easy to follow and makes the concepts easy to understand. It presents practical information that can be used for any organization. I rate this book a 5 out of 5. So that's what I think about how to read a financial report. Please put your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. They always make a great conversation. I hope you find my review to be informative. Thanks for watching.